Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. I am back from my vacation. The past 3 videos that you guys have seen were all uploaded and scheduled to go public, so those were actually pre-recorded. I am back now though. This video is coming out the day I record it, and I want to do a follow-up video on iOS 13 Beta 2 because I did install iOS 13 Beta 2 on Monday, and then I left for vacation on Wednesday. So I took my iPhone with me, running iOS Beta 2, on vacation, gone for a week, no other devices, just my iPhone. So I'm going to let you guys know how it performed, any issues that I had, which weren't any major ones really, which is good because I was far away from home, so definitely needed my phone to work. Didn't have any way to reinstall iOS or anything if I had any issues. So very, very risky, but it is what it is, and I do have faith in iOS betas. I've been running them for a while and haven't had any major issues, so I wasn't too worried about it. Really, the only issue I've had is if you go into settings here and you go to your volume, sounds and haptics, and you have change with buttons on, I could not get my volume rocker to control the volume. You can see here I am pushing it, but the volume is not changing. So when that is on, for some reason, the volume buttons do not work. If I turn it off, you can see we do get the interface right there, the UI. It does start changing the volume. I don't know why that is. It wasn't like that in Beta 1, so that is something new in Beta 2 that has come up. I was trying to figure out why it wasn't working. Now if I turn that on and then I flip the mute switch here for the ringer, you can see we can change the volume for the ringer. The buttons themselves are working. It's just not responding to change the volume. Sometimes if you put it on silent mode and you do it right after, you can get it to work. I got it to work like once. And that was it. You can see here I have my background. That is one of the pictures from my vacation. I went to a couple of different places in the Caribbean. So I may post a little slideshow on my channel of some pictures that I took. I don't have very many on my phone. My family has most of the pictures on cameras and stuff like that, so I'll probably post the ones I took just in a little slideshow. But for iOS 13 Beta 2, no real issues here. Battery life has been excellent, been lasting me all day. Like I said, I haven't been home, I haven't had much of a chance to charge it or anything like that, or correct any issues that I may have. So very, very stable in Beta 2. Looking forward to see what Beta 3 brings and see if we get any new features or anything like that. It is coming up on summertime here, so we should be seeing stuff for Apple Card coming in here maybe in the next couple betas. If not just in the betas, actually a public release in iOS 12 for Apple Card should be rolling out here soon. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.